Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover luxury and privacy at this exquisite 7-bedroom, 7.5 bathroom estate. It is nestled in the desirable Spring Farm community of St. James. This sprawling residence sits on a generous 1.84-acre lot, boasting breathtaking mountain views and a glimpse of the sparkling Caribbean Sea. The 7 bedrooms are generously sized with ensuite bathrooms. The room counts includes two self-contained staff quarters. The outdoor space showcases a swimming pool with a deck. Additionally, the property includes a gym area, a two-car garage, generator, two storage water tanks, and your own private road, ensuring privacy and exclusivity. The furniture is included, making this home truly move-in ready, ideally located close to major shopping areas, entertainment, and the international airport. This estate offers the epitome of Caribbean luxury living. Don't miss out on this exceptional opportunity. Contact the realtor and schedule your viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 1,450,000 or Jamaican $223.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.